Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary theory. And in this video, we are going to discuss the future of feminist literary studies and gender studies. Introduction. Feminist and gender studies have grown and diversified immensely over recent decades, significantly impacting literary criticism and academic discourse. Understanding the evolution, current issues, and future directions of these fields is crucial for appreciating their continued relevance and influence. Proliferation of feminisms and gender studies. The expansion of diversity within feminist and gender studies are remarkable. In the late 1970s, the inclusion of women writers in literature courses was limited to a few notable figures like Emily Dickinson, Edith Wharton, and Kate Chopin. Today, the curriculum is vastly different, incorporating a wide array of women writers and perspectives. This shift highlights the significant impact of feminist scholarship on literary criticism and education, demonstrating how far the field has come and how it continues to evolve. Ongoing issues in feminisms and gender studies. Despite its growth, feminist and gender studies face several unresolved issues. A prominent debate centers around Elaine Showalter's linguistic model of difference, which suggests the existence of a distinct women's language. Critics argue that such a language does not exist and likely never will. This debate underscores the dynamic nature of feminist and gender studies, which persistently challenge long-held cultural norms and beliefs. The field's commitment to re-evaluating these norms ensures it remains at the forefront of academic and social discourse. Criticism and controversy. Feminist and gender studies are often criticized for politicizing literature, similar to Marxism and certain cultural studies approaches. Critics argue that this politicization can overshadow the artistic value of literature. Myra Jalen warns against reducing literature to its political content, emphasizing that good ideas alone do not determine literary merit. This tension between radical perspectives and traditional views illustrates a fundamental challenge within feminist theory, balancing political advocacy with recognition of literary aesthetics. Additionally, prominent feminists such as Showalter and Kolodny critique each other for excessive theorizing, which can detract from practical applications and the social roots of feminist thought. Debate on feminist criticism. Helen Wendler's critiques have sparked significant debate within the academic community. She challenges feminist interpretations of female characters in male-authored novels, arguing that treating these characters as real people is naive. Wendler disputes the existence of a female language or inherent moral superiority in women, viewing such notions as sentimental and counterproductive. She argues that for feminism to succeed, it must move beyond idealizing women. Wendler's perspectives highlight the need for feminist criticism to continually reassess its assumptions and methodologies, ensuring a rigorous and nuanced approach to literary analysis. Challenges for male feminist critics. Male feminist critics face unique challenges within the field. Some feminists believe that men cannot fully represent women's perspectives, viewing male participation as potentially intrusive. Tori Moi advises male critics to consider whether their involvement genuinely befits feminism, suggesting that men may inadvertently undermine the space women have carved out within a male-dominated discipline. Despite these challenges, influential male feminist critics such as Houston A. Baker Jr. and Paul Lauter have demonstrated that men can significantly contribute to feminist discourse. Their work exemplifies how male critics can engage with feminist issues in ways that support and enhance the broader field. Backlash and future directions. The progress made by feminist and gender studies has not been without its setbacks. There is a noticeable backlash, particularly among younger women and political conservatives, who sometimes resist identifying with the term feminist. This resistance reflects broader societal tensions and highlights the ongoing challenges facing the feminist movement. Nonetheless, the awareness of gender roles that feminism has fostered is likely to persist, inspiring new adaptations and developments in literary studies and beyond. As we move into the new millennium, feminist and gender studies will continue to evolve, addressing new questions and challenges while building on the foundational work of previous generations. Conclusion: the future of feminist literary studies and gender studies is both promising and complex. The field's proliferation has led to significant advancements, yet ongoing debates and criticisms underscore the need for continued reflection and adaptation. By addressing these challenges head-on, feminist and gender studies can maintain their relevance and impact, fostering a deeper understanding of literature and society. So this was the discussion on the future of feminist literary studies and gender studies. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.